Tinan ko lang.
What's up, everybody? This is the new account of us. We're gonna make 20 shekels too. Okay, guys. This is 20 shekels. I've already planted my seeds. I forgot it to record, but let's go plant my strawberries, bro. Ang ano sa my inventory. Okay, just like that, 70 money off the bat.
Let's go talk
Guys,
to
what should I buy? What should I buy?
inventory.
Guys, I'm skip buying strawberries, and I'll buy some carrots. Let's see if I'm lucky. Okay, whoever loses in this challenge will have to give a a 1 meal for whoever loses this challenge will get
Two bill fruit. Oh.
will get a 2 veal fruit. So like and subscribe if you want me to win, and subscribe if you want him to win. Oh my god, I just got a big carrot. I just got a big carrot like him, bro. Hey yo!
What him, bro? What him? What him? Ano him? Pangalan ko Gian.
Guys, stop speaking Tagalog. Okay guys, I don't know. I'll just keep buying strawberries. Better than blueberry. I don't need blueberry. I kind of think that blueberry is pretty useless. Bro, just keep planting these strawberries until I be rich. Carrot seeds, 12. Just keep planting these. Bro, I need a pet. Real quick. Okay, guys, real quick, I need a pet. Oh, I found another huge carrot.
Galing mag-English.
Guys, bro! 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, guys, let's sell my inventory. Just like that, we're almost close to a 1,000. Bro, I need. I'll buy. Oh, you cannot buy that. I'll buy carrot seeds for now.
Berry seeds tayo.
Bro, carrot seeds, 11. Bro. Let's go. I need those. Carrots grow for me. Come on, carrots. Let's go sell my inventory. What is he doing, guys? Go. Just like that, we're already 8,000 there, guys. And
2,000.
I'm a thousandaire. Bro, Bosky. Bro, what are you looking at me for? Bro, the other one have to give. Everybody, like and subscribe and comment down below your username.
Ikaw nga. Bacon Progug 1P. Ano yun?
Bro! Okay, guys. It's about to be 10 seconds until the new season. Bro, I'm about to be rich.
Oy, may blueberry. Ay,
Bro,
blueberry. There's blueberry. I have blueberry.
let's go. Let's get strawberries.
Uy, Fugira. Tingnan ko sa account ko.
One go. Okay, guys. It's time to plant. Let's go seeds. Seeds. Bro, why? Oh, there it is. Let's plant my carrot. Let's hope for the best again. Okay. They gave me love. Strawberry. Bro. What? Okay, guys. Bro left because there was masters on stock. Let's skip bro map. Strawberry. And let's keep doing this. Bro, guys. Let's go, bro. Okay, guys. Bro, guys. Okay, guys. I don't know what he is doing. I'm already ahead of him, but he'll be richer. I want to send my 160 back from square one. Okay. Bro, this is weird. I don't see any gear. Okay, let's see what Ophi. I don't know how to. Mathematics. I'll just keep selling. Nice. 83. Okay. Oh, there's blueberry growing. Go. I'm rich. My carrots came out clutch, guys. Oh, he's back. He's
I'm
back,
back,
guys.
guys. I'm
He's
back.
back. Okay,
I'm back richer than ever.
bro. What? Oh my god. Bro, what?
I have
Now I
so
just,
many berries.
guys,
I have so many strawberries. I will be a what I
yo,
see.
I'm in 2000 money, guys. I'm in 2000 money.
Thousand. Money,
Wow. Bro,
money,
just need 500 more to
money.
use to get the watermelon seed. Oh, it's about to restock in 15 seconds. So I'll just keep it. Yo, wait, what's that? Yo, guys, I've got a gold strawberry. Let's
Okay,
go,
please,
bro.
please, fruit. Oh,
Oh,
harvest event. Mamaya muna ako ah. I'm
okay,
gonna.
guys. I'll go to a public server so I can get some seeds or anything that can help me. Let's go to a public grow garden server, bro. Oh my god, bro. Guys, if you like the Philippines, like and subscribe. Oh my god, there was a tanning mirror. There is a tanning mirror right now. Right
There was.
now. A tanning mirror right now, boys.
There
And there's
is.
a big English!
There is.
Yes, yes, I'm telling you. Okay, I got a gold strawberry. Shiny. Let's go. Guys, guys, I'm in a billionaire server. Okay, let's go. Oh my. Whoa. Whoa. Guys, bro, I have no. Oh my. Guys, unfortunately, Rose died. Okay, guys. Okay, finally there was something. Harvest. Yo, no one's harvesting. Bro, no one's harvesting. I'll just keep grinding. They should, right? Right? Bro, I think at 10 minutes I can end this. So will be part 1 of 1 to 1 billion. Let's get that carrot seed up and going. Carrots all around the place. Bro, right now I'm making a carrot farm. Okay. Oh, the carrots are going. Carrots around the place. My strawberries are going to carrots. Yo, I found a big strawberry. A big. I just need mutations on it. I just need mutations on it, and I'm going to go 500. Let's go. Let's go. Yo, that's a big strawberry. A very big. Guys, you would see this, but he won't. Yo, that's, bro, bro, please. I'm joking. I'm just gotta wait. I gotta be patient. Guys, bro, I'm poor. I'm poor. I'm poor, bro. Where is he? Bro, come on, man. I'm 10% battery right now. Bro, come on. Where are you?
Bro.
Bro,
Bro.
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 Bro, what is he doing?
Bro.
Hey, bro, bro, oh my god.
Bro. I have bro. Bro.
Bro, bro, yeah. Yeah, look at that. Bro, yo, you're cookie. Oh, you're cook, my guy. You're cook.
Bakit?
Oh, I got a really big strawberry.
Really big. Okay. Hindi sana all.
Bro, hey yo, I should end it right now, but heals. He heals. He heals, bro. He heals. Bro, what?
I can speak English.
Oh no. Is he really going? Is he really?
Car. First saw you. Gone. Can't nothing
Bro, let's give it. Let's, wait, what? Really? Yeah!
Uy, I'm in a familiar air lobby. Lobby. Blueberry, guys. I have blueberry. I'm just gonna.
Bro, I'm 5%. Okay, guys, that's a wrap for the video, and thank you for